Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you how to install Svelte using how to install Svelte in Laravel projects. So Svelte is a JavaScript compiler. What it do is it's just like React.js and Vue.js, but this is just a compiler also. So I'm not going to explain you how it really works in the background. I just going to show you how to use it using a Laravel framework. Okay, so I will start by creating a fresh Laravel, and I will call it Svelte. So by the way guys, I'm using Laragon on Windows 10. If you didn't use Laragon before, I have a video tutorial on how to install it. It is pretty cool tools for Windows 10. Yeah, so let's wait for it to install. Okay guys, it's already done installing a fresh Laravel. So let's check if it's work. Yeah, it works. Yeah. So okay guys, so in this video guys, I will show you how to install it manually, how to install Svelte manually by following their tutorial on their website. So yeah, making an app. Yeah. So since we are using webpacks on Laravel, I will going to use this svelte-loader. But by the way guys, there's already a Laramix extension for Svelte. You just need to search Laravel mix Svelte. Okay, this one you can use it easily, but in this video I will show you how to use it manually. So okay, we're going to use this package svelte-loader. So okay, let's cd into our project directory. So okay, cd svelte. Let's install its default package first. And wait for it. Okay. Okay guys, I already done installing the default Laravel npm packages. So okay, this time we're going to install the svelte-loader and the svelte compiler. So okay, so this is the package that we're going to install and the svelte itself. So let's go to our terminal again and run npm install svelte-loader space svelte and save, and let's wait again. Okay guys, it's done installing. So the next thing we need to do is to set up the Laravel mix or the webpack that mix.js configuration. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to open the project on my editor, Svelte. Okay, so first thing to do is to is to update the config, the webpack config. So in order to do that in Laravel Mix, going to use the webpack config function. So mix webpack config, then so on this, guys, I'm going to use the copy. I'm just going to copy this one and also this one. Yeah, I think that's it. And going to fix some formatting. Oops. Okay, to fix some formatting and result, and yeah, I think this one. Okay, I'm going to fix some formatting. So yeah, so I think um yeah, so I think I already fixed the formatting. So um I just copy it all and remove some dot here. So that's all I did. So let's try if this configuration works. um let's try to create some svelte file. So this is the default app.js from view. So let's rename this and create a new app app.js. um okay, so um let's let's test if it works. Okay, we need to create a new svelte component. So in order to create that, create a new file and save it as, let's call it, our first component is, okay, let's make it app.svelte. Yeah, so guys, here, this is our first application. Let's try to add some HTML inside of it. Let's try to add h1 tag. Oh, by the way, guys, you need to set the file type on our editor as HTML for the color highlighting. So okay, okay, I'm going to add h1 tag here and add some welcome to Svelte text, and that's it. And on our app.js, we need to import that component. Okay, so import app from, by the way, this will be our base app component or the parent app. Okay, from components and app that's svelte. Okay, so after that, we're going to instantiate a new app. Okay, cons app, new app, and put some configuration. So the configuration we're going to add here is the target. This target configuration will be the the target element where this belt will going to append our component. So document that query selector, then I'm going to call it svelte app. So this ID, guys, is not yet existing. We're going to create that later. And okay, let's start. Okay, let's test if our uh, webpack.mix config is okay. Okay, let's go back to our webpack.mix and let's comment this out. Okay, and create a new entry .js, mix.js, source.js, app.js. By the way, we can use it. Anyways, we can use it just like that one, and we also have a app that as CSS. Okay, let's try to build the that by running npm run dev, and let's wait for a while. So okay, guys, it's done compiling and I think it works. So let's check if it works properly. So before we can check it, we need to edit something on our view files, Laravel blade file. So I'm going to put it here, and then we're going to include or import the app.js scripts. um, okay, script types and src and asset, then js and js app.js. Okay, so let's try if I have the correct path. Yep, so this is it, the webpack generated javascript file. Okay, so as you can see on our app.js, I set the target into an ID of svelte apps. So okay, on this on our Laravel default template, I'm going to change this word Laravel into our main svelte component. So here on our div class here, I'm going to put an ID with the svelte app, and then I'm going to delete this one and change it with our component. Let's try if this works. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It works, guys. So okay, guys, so it seems that our svelte component is loaded successfully. So let's try to ch- uh, let's try to change something, or maybe let's try to watch if the npm run watch is also working here. Okay, so dynamic attribute, so this is the tutorial of the svelte. If you are a beginner or first time, you can see it here. I think every features of svelte is already in here. So yeah, props, let's try this, but I think let's go first here on the, yeah, let's try to use this. Yeah, uh, dynamic attributes. Okay, Okay guys, so it seems that npm run watch is also working on svelte. Okay, let's try to change something here, and we're going to create an data. So in order to do that, we're going to uh, wrap it in a script tag here, and we can do any javascript code here, and also there are some svelte code. So okay, the first thing we do is we're going to change or we're going to put this svelte word in a data or variable. So let name equals svelte with two exclamation point, and yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, that's great, and we change it to name. Yeah, I think it's working. I hope we don't get any error. Yeah, so yeah, that's great. The the npm run watch is also working. So okay, I'm going to show you also how can we import another component or another svelte component into a component. So this is much like a parent to children component. Okay, so this app act as our parent component. I will going to create a new file, then I'm going to put it maybe time. I'm going to put the time time component. Yeah, okay, time component. So what did our time component will do is just to return the current time. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's first set it to html. Yeah, and wrap it into script script tag. Then uh, I will create a new variable time now as equals date that now. Okay, this is just purely javascript. I don't install time managing library like moment or similar. uh, okay, so and I will add some html elements here. It's a paragraph. Then um, maybe I just display it for now. Time now that to string. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's try to import it here. Import time from uh, time.svelte. No. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, I think it's worked. No error. Yeah, no error. Then after that, we're going to use it here by calling this, and yeah, so yeah, it works. Hmm. um mm, yeah, I think that's fine for now. Okay. Yep, so I will also show you one cool thing about this is Svelte. uh it's called the reactivity. And um So this syntax is I don't really know the name of this syntax, but it is very interesting. But okay, what it do is it will automatically update this double component. As for this example, if any of this if this variable here got changed, so or if you have two variables here, for example count or times day, either one of that variable change, this will automatically rerun if you use this kind of operator. So let's try it. On our time component, so we're going to use that operator. This one, I don't know the name of this one, and we'll using the now. We'll set a new variable name called now. Okay, and now is equals time now, and below this I'm going to set an interval that this this will run every 1 seconds, and we're going to change this time now every 1 second variable by this. So what we're going to do here inside our interval is we're going to set a new we're going to change this time now into the current date. So copy this into the current time equals date, and then instead of using time now here, we're going to use this now data or variable, and we're going to yep to string. So basically what this operator will set this variable that it will rerun or it will update automatically if this variable here got changes. So here on our set interval function, every second we will change the value of time now to this date. So yeah, so let's try if this works. um, let's refresh our page. Yes, so as you can see here, it looks like a clock or a counter every second because I set it every seconds here on our interval. So as you can see, yeah, it's just like yeah, it's like a clock. So this guys is only a very basic example, and to show you my understanding on svelte application compiler. So yeah, I am planning to create a series of tutorial on how to use svelte. I honestly I just also started using svelte I think few days ago. I'm going to try and create maybe a crude application using svelte, and let's see how good it is compared to Vue and React.js. So yeah, okay guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you want to follow my series on svelte, or if you want to watch my future video, please subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys.